Good morning, Buenos Dias. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 19 of my 28-day fitness challenge, and we are actually having Jeremy come up with the chest and tricep workout. Hope you guys are ready for this. Alright, you guys, this is my warm-up set right here. Just kidding, this is Jeremy's warm-up set. No big deal. We are starting off on the bench press for 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. This is my little baby weight right here. This is what I'm warming up with. So you guys know how I use those blue clips on my bars? This is why. I hate using these clips. So if you want the blue clips, there's a link down below. Go ahead and purchase yourself some, because these are so annoying. Alright, you guys, then our second exercise is actually a little bit of a game. We're doing tricep pushdowns. We're doing 10 sets of 10 reps. Yes, you heard me right. We are doing 10 sets of 10 reps. Your partner actually chooses the weight for you. If you don't have a partner, just do a massive drop set. So I chose for him a range from 45 to 5 pounds. After a few sets, 5 pounds actually feels like 100. It's ridiculous, but it's a great workout. And I don't know, I'm just the goofball that likes to dance at the gym. And our next exercise is an incline dumbbell press. We're doing 4 sets of 10 reps. And that's my boyfriend behind the camera. I gotta show him a little love. Our next exercise is a bent over tricep pushback. We're doing 4 sets of 10 reps. I'm telling you guys, this is a brutal workout. It's intense. Felt it the next day. It's an amazing workout. I love this workout. He's telling me we're gonna do some more bench presses. I'm like, oh my goodness. Whatever, let's do this. Our next exercise is a decline bench press. We're doing 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Our final exercise is the cable flies. We're doing 4 sets of 10 reps.